Hi, good morning guys. So in this session we will see two classical questions based on loops, right? So let's start. Question number 1. Int I while main int t for t is equal to 4. Scanf percentage d comma address of I minus t. Printf percentage d comma I. It's a part of loop only. Then this is body of loop. Printf percentage d comma t minus minus. So you guys have to tell me the output of this code for the following input. Inputs are 0, 1 and 2. For these three inputs you have to tell me what is the answer of the code, right? So t is equal to 4. Scanf percentage d comma address of I. So first time I am taking 0 as an input, right? So first time I am taking 0 as an input. And I already told you that scanf returns number of argument. So आप कुछ भी input लो, even you take 0, 1 lakh, 1 crore as an input, scanf will always return number of argument. What is the number of argument here? 1. So it will be, scanf will return what? 1. So what is the value of t? 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this minus 3 condition is true because all positive, all negative numbers are true, only 0 is false. So this condition is true. Now after this, so this is inside loop, this is first expression, this is second, so first, second, then this is your third, then this one is your fourth, then second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, as long as the condition is true. This is the loop functionality. So minus 3 condition is true, then we will evaluate the body of the loop. So it is t minus minus, the value of t is 4. So what it will print? It's 4 minus minus, so this is post decrement, not pre. So meanwhile it is only printing 4, but where again the same, if the same variable is encountered again in your program, and that is here the value will be 3, but meanwhile it is 4 only. So first printf is 4, I am putting a star, so that's clear that again it will come to the loop, the value will decrement. See, right? So the first is 4, it will print 4. So then after this it will print the value of I. What is the value of I? You have taken I input as a 0, right? So once you have taken this 0 as an input, for 0 input it is printing the value 4 and 0, right? Now again you are taking 1 as an input. So again if you take 1 as an input, scanf again will return what? Scanf will return number of argument. So again what is the number of argument? Number of argument again is 1. So even if you take 1 as an input, this is considered as 1 only. अगर 4 भी लेते हैं input तब भी वो 1 ही return करता. And now what is the value of t? Because of t minus minus, जब मैं यहाँ पे आऊँगा तो value of t now decrement to 3. So it is 1 minus 3. This is minus 2. So again minus 2 is true condition. तो मैं दोबारा से नीचे आऊँगा and will print the value of t. The value of t is now 3. So it will print 3. I am putting a star. So next value it print is 3. After this it will go and execute this printf statement. Value of I ने input क्या लिया था? 1. तो जब मैं 1 input ले रहा हूँ तो मेरी value क्या print हो रही है? 3 and 1, right? Now next time I will take 2 as an input, right? So next time I take 2 as an input. So I am taking 2 as an input here. So when I am taking 2 as an input, scanf again returns number of argument. Number of argument is 1. And now the value of t is what? It's 3 minus minus. So जब दोबारा t encountered होगा value कितनी हो जाएगी? 2. So it's 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Condition is true. So again you execute the body of the loop. So value of t is 2. So it will print 2, right? दोबारा जब ऊपर जाएगा तो वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. तब मैं मालूम दोबारा ऊपर गया तो t की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 1 होगी. अब मैं कोई और इनपुट लेता, सपोज मैं इनपुट लेता नेक्स्ट टाइम 100 लेता, अगर इनपुट लेता 100 तो ये होता क्या? 100 रिटर्न क्या करता है? स्कैनर रिटर्न्स नंबर ऑफ आर्गुमेंट 1 ही रिटर्न करता. पर बिकॉज यहाँ पे 2 स्टार है, 2 माइनस 1 है, जब दोबारा ही t आएगा तो वैल्यू डिक्रीमेंट होगी, कितनी होगी? 1. 1 माइनस 1 कितना हो गया? 0. कंडीशन होगी फॉल्स लूप के बाहर, राइट? सो द आंसर इज 4 0 3 1 2 2. Alright guys, so it's a good question. Now moving on to the next question. I am writing char star s is equal to string. I have taken an array p having 20 characters. Star s is equal to string. Int length is equal to string length s. Int I for I equals to 0. I less than length I plus plus 5. So this first line char star s is equal to string means I told you earlier also that your pointer s and this pointer is pointing to the base address of the string. Base address of your string. For example, I have a pointer char star s. And this s pointer is pointing to the base address of your string string and string ends with null. So if the address starts from 100, this is 101, 102, 103, 4, 5, 106. So your S is pointing at the base address of your string. So value of S is 100. Now what is the string length? String length do not take into account the null character. So string length of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the value of length is 6, right? Now for I is equal to 0. 0 less than 6, your condition is true. We go down. Now pi, yani ki p0 is equal to S. What is the value of length? Length is 6. And what is the value of I? I value is 0. So p0 is equal to what? S6. So this is your S0. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. S6 is what? Your null character. So in P0 you are inserting what? Your null character. Right. So I am making an array here. P0. The first character is null and this is your P0. Fine. So here comes your null character. Now again I will increment the value. I becomes 1. So now 1 less than 6. Again your condition is true. So again P1 is equal to what? P1 is equal to S length value is 6. 6 minus I value is 1. So P1 is equal to S of 5. S of 5 is what? G. So here comes your G. Right. Similarly, here will N will come, I will come, R will come, T will come and S will come. You can simply follow the pattern and insert the values like this. Now, the work of for loop is done. Fine. Now, moving on to the printf. Printf percentage comma P. Now, tell me, now this array is this. Let me clearly make this array. It is null G N I R T S. Okay. And this is your P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and this is your P6. Let's suppose the address starts from 100, 101, 102, 103, 4, 5. This is 106. Now what you are printing is P. P is nothing but your array name of array means what? The base address. So P is pointing at what? 100 and you are using percentage. So I told you earlier also कि percentage की implementation इस तरीके से की गई थी जहाँ पे पॉइंटर पॉइंट करता है वहां से लेके एंड तक पूरी स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट होती है जब तक कि नल नहीं आता. पर तुम चेक करो इस एड्रेस के ऊपर ही नल है. What you have above 100 is containing what? Null. So this will not print anything. It will be no output. Fine. Because इस एड्रेस के ऊपर ही नल आ गया. अगर नल नहीं होता तो एंड तक पूरी स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट होती जब तक कि नल नहीं आता. पर इसके ऊपर ही नल है तो वो वहीं पे रुक जाए. Fine. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.